In this video, we are going to unbox Airbar and we are going to install that Airbar on this laptop, this laptop is an Asus laptop, which is a non-touch screen laptop. It's not a touch screen laptop. So using Airbar, we are going to convert this laptop into a touch screen. So we are going to do an unboxing and we are going to install that Airbar on this particular laptop, and we will test the touchscreen mechanism. So getting started, and to give some introduction on Airbar. Airbar basically comes in different screen sizes. For example, you can count the screen size diagonally if you don't know the screen size of your laptop. So this is a 15.6 inch laptop. So Airbar comes in like 15.6 and 13 inches and 13.5 inches, like the different sizes. It comes in different sizes and it works with both Windows as well as Mac OS laptops. You can simply convert them into a touchscreen laptops. So to get started, if I want to buy a 15.6 inch touchscreen laptop, it's going to cost me something around 70,000. But using Airbar, we can basically convert a non-touchscreen laptop into touchscreen. So let's do the unboxing. And this one basically costs around 3,900 Indian rupees. That's approximately like $70. And this comes in a nice packed cellophane tape. So this is basically the Airbar. Like you can see, it's Airbar, and we are going to put it here so that it converts this laptop into touchscreen. We are going to do the complete implementation. So we are going to do the unboxing now. Just going to cut the cellophane on this. And my cat is trying to steal my scissors. Yeah. It's a beautifully packed device. Very compact, beautifully packed. And this is for 15.6 inch screens. And make sure you always have a USB port towards your right hand corner. But I have it on the left side of the laptop. So I'm going to test it whether it's going to work or not. Because the connection is basically, it's a very small thing. So I'm trying to open it. Beautifully packaged. Basically, to install this particular Airbar, we have to put it somewhere like this here, and make sure there is a 1 inch gap between Airbar and your screen, so that what it basically does is it emits a invisible light on the screen, and it enables touch on your laptop. So that is how it's going to work. So just I want to check if I can use my USB this side. Yes, I can use it. And it immediately started recognizing the Airbar. And you can remove it whenever you want. Basically, it comes with two powerful magnets here, and you can remove them, remove this touchscreen bar anytime you want. So let's do that. So this is exactly how it's going to fit in. So let's do like this. Yeah, this is the exact placement that it needs to fit in. You can see it on the screen right now. So what we're going to do is basically remove the stickers, and before that I'm going to remove the USB from the right hand side USB cable. So what I'm going to do is basically remove the magnets. Oh, they're very strong magnets with with a sticker on the other side. You can see. So we need to remove the stickers and place the magnets on the laptop. That's the first thing we are going to do. So again, you can take the example of where you want to put them. So I'm going to put one magnet here. And what I heard in the reviews is once these magnets get attached, it's very difficult to remove them. That's one. It's perfectly placed. So let me try to put this Airbar. I did a complete wrong calculation here. Let's try to take it out. What I'm going to do is basically attach the magnets first and then place Airbar on top of it so that it becomes easy for me to. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it firmly by giving 1 inch gap. And I try to do a firm hold, and yes, the magnets are in place right now and the Airbar gets connected to the magnets. So what I'm going to do is basically plug in the USB, and my cat does not like it. Hey. Okay. You see, the touch started working. And let's see if I can open a new screen. And for this, basically, let me bring, this is the Amazon Basics, stylus that I'm going to use. You can see it's perfectly working. And what's the best way of opening, testing a touchscreen laptop is by opening Paint. So what I'm going to do is basically open Paint and try to write something here. See, it works perfectly fine. And my cat does not like the sound it comes from this stylus. It's trying to attack. So it's perfectly working. You can draw very good things, and you can basically do some explanations and all. So it's a good product. Like for 4,000 rupees, basically you can convert your existing laptop to a touchscreen laptop. And the reviews are really good on Airbar. That most of them are 5-star ratings. So it's a good product to try, and I will continue to use this and see if I can do a ownership video on Airbar to see how it's going to actually work. When I'm doing some presentations or something, I want this to work in a perfect way so that I can do some presentations and get things done. So it's working perfectly fine. Even I can change the colors. But maybe this particular stylus is not for this one. Maybe that's the reason. Sometimes, I miss certain things while I'm trying to do. It's only good for, writing straight lines and all. But what if I can write, it's working perfectly fine. Even with your hand, it works perfectly fine. Just do B brush and try to write something maybe. maybe write our channel name. See, it's working, but the thing is, maybe I need to buy a very good stylus to get it work. Technology first. Okay guys, let me know how is this video, how is the unboxing, and if you have experience testing this Airbar, let me know. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. If you have any questions on this particular device, maybe by that time I might be well versed with using it, and maybe by then I'll do another video covering all the details. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos and have a wonderful day ahead. And till then, bye bye.